All right, guys, on Monday, the 30th of April, 2018, we are releasing an update that's going to change the way your milestones can be communicated and how flexible it is. So what I'm doing here is I'm inside of a loan. Now, you can do this inside your settings and create templates, obviously, but I want to show you a live version where I'm going to customize the templates that I'm using to communicate to my customers what's happening in their loan process. So in this case, I'm going to, actually, let me go down here to appraisal ordered. Let me customize this template, and I'll use the drop-down menu to move from classic notifications, which is the default email template, default text message template, to our custom notifications template. Now what you can do is under notifications, click add notification, select what type you want to edit. So in this case, I'm going to say it's an email. I'm going to say appraisal ordered for, I'm going to grab a tag code here. So if I, for example, enter the subject property into each of my, here we go, subject property, boom. Now that'll be my title. Now I'm going to say hi, and in this case I can get really specific, so I'm going to just say the borrower first name because I can actually create a separate email for the co-borrower, right? If you want it to go to both, just say John and Jane, whatever, to both. In this case I'm just going to say John. We ordered your appraisal. Hooray. You will know more soon. Obviously, you guys are going to be more detailed than I am. One of the nice things is you guys can use as much dynamic text as you want. So you can pull in pretty much anything that exists in the system through dynamic text. You guys can upload pictures. So if I want to, let me grab a picture of this awesome home here. And then let me scroll down a little bit. And actually, let me hyperlink this picture to something else. So I could hyperlink it to Google, to a video. So if you want to upload videos, you could do it that way. Add a picture, hyperlink the picture. You could change the font, text size, all of that stuff, guys. And of course, emoticons. Who doesn't love that? And so in this case, I'm going to go down here and say, thanks. Obviously, you'll spend a lot more time creating a customized template than I did, but I'm now going to assign a borrower. In this case, you can see I'm going to assign primary borrower. You could assign the co-borrower, whoever you'd like. Click continue. And now you'll notice that this is a notification that exists attached to your appraisal ordered milestone. I'm going to add a new notification. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and customize the text. Hi, John. Just wanted to let you know we ordered your appraisal. You should look at the home in the next 4 days. Okay. Continue, primary borrower, continue, boom, custom text message. Now this is where things get even more amazing. With the appraisal being ordered, obviously, well, actually with any milestone, there's sometimes questions, and also using a system like this can be a little bit impersonal when it comes to communicating updates. Even though it is going to get them the data, the information that they need, it's a little bit impersonal. So if you're working on building a relationship with them, trying to make the transaction even smoother, you can actually now pre-record a voicemail and connect it to a milestone. I'm going to say this is a new recording. I'm going to either upload a pre-recorded recording that I, maybe saved on my computer, or I'm going to use my phone to create a new recording. So in this case, I'm going to record using my phone. Here's my phone number. I'm going to click call me, and it'll dial my phone. You guys won't be able to see this part, but you can hear me leave the voicemail.
Please start your new recording after the beep. Once you are finished, please hang up.
Hey, this is Michael. Just want to let you know we ordered your appraisal today, and that process typically takes about 4 to 7 days. Once we have the appraisal back, we're going to go ahead and review it. We'll send you a copy, and if there's any questions with what we send, feel free to give me a call back and we'll go over them. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to you soon. So once that recording is done, you'll see here I get to review the recording. Hey, this is Michael. Just want to let you know we ordered your appraisal today, and that process typically takes about 4 to 7 days. Once we have the appraisal back, we're going to go ahead and review it. We'll send you a copy, and if there's any questions with what we send, feel free to give me a call back and we'll go over them. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Okay, so there's my recording. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to give this a name, so I'll call this appraisal. Appraisal. Continue. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add it to, I can create a new folder if I want, or just add it to my current existing folders, whatever you want. So if you want to create like a separate folder for different milestones, different providers, whatever you want, you can organize this however you want. In this case, I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to click primary borrower here, and then I'll click continue. And now we have 3 different, very different, unique forms of communication going out as a result of your appraisal ordered milestone being triggered. So let's go ahead and save these changes. And let's trigger the update. Appraisal ordered. Save changes. Boom. All right, first step, check my email. Here's the updated email, and here's the template. As you guys will notice, we're going to maintain your branding. So this is where the subject line goes, your logos, if you're a branded customer, go here, everything's co-branded. This is essentially the same template. What we're letting you change, guys, is the body. Okay, so everything that is contained here, along with the title, okay, the title that's listed in this area. Now let's check for the voicemail. Here it is. Voicemail's in. Takes a few minutes, guys. It might take up to 5 minutes for that voicemail to be delivered. But once it is...
Hey, this is Michael. Just want to let you know we ordered your appraisal today, and that process typically takes about 4 to 7 days. Once we have the appraisal back, we're going to go ahead and review it. We'll send you a copy, and if there's any questions with what we send.
So that is how that works, right? They're going to get a voicemail left on their inbox. They will see a missed call, but it's from an unknown number. They won't be able to track it. It basically looks like this. Unknown. So it's basically, it doesn't ring their phone. It just drops it directly into their voicemail, which is really cool. And so that is how you guys can use the new functionality. So actually this icon, guys, just pay attention to this. This icon means you're using the custom. This is the default. Custom, default. Now, if you guys have any questions, concerns, any problems, feel free to reach out to us directly. You can always get a hold of us here at the chat in the chat box. Obviously, we're really excited about this update. It should help to create a much better, more customized experience for you and to communicate the process in a way that your customers are going to understand a lot more clearly. For now, that's it. We'll talk to you later. Take care.